of Vang Vieng. It's the adventure capital of Laos, and you can see why, can't you? Just below, in between my feet. Can you see that? That's one of the viewpoints. And over there on that ridge, there's another one. This is certainly the highlight of the flight so far. Coming up to this humongous cliff. Look at that. As we come close to the cliff, you can really start to feel the air turbulence. We're starting to move a lot more. It's kind of scary. There are two options for flying in Vang Vieng. There's the paragliding, where we have the engine behind us, and we just glide through the air in the morning sun. Or there is the hot air balloons. There are 4 balloons that go up every morning, every afternoon. And it's the same price to do this and the hot air balloon. But when you do this, it's just you and your thoughts. And it's a bit more exciting than a hot air balloon. Hot air balloons go up and then they go down, don't they? So here we feel like we're an eagle soaring across the jungle. One of the early morning viewpoints, there seems to be some people on there. Yes, I can see someone next to the flag. Wow, look at this, and there's a buggy there. Let's wave. Hello! Hello, mister! What a feeling! And now it looks like we're heading back towards the sun, back towards Vang Vieng itself, which is in the distance. I think it's a 20-minute flight. So, it's a great way to start your day in Vang Vieng, isn't it? Here we come. We're coming into land, which means we have to lose some altitude, and we get to do these cool turns.